We've all seen the carbon offset scandals. Millions of dollars poured into planting trees that were already protected or burned down a year later. Now, that exact same scrutiny is hitting biodiversity offsets. Companies claim they are restoring wetlands or protecting endangered habitats to compensate for their new developments. But watchdogs are asking hard questions. Are these environmental gains permanent? Is there actual additionality? Meaning, would this conservation have happened anyway without corporate funding? And does the offset genuinely compensate for the specific damage done? Making a bold ecological claim without independent proof is a fast track to a severe greenwashing disaster. If you pave over a forest and simply buy a patch of existing woods elsewhere, you haven't replaced what was lost. That's why independent verification is non-negotiable. Experts like Speeki step in to rigorously verify offset quality and additionality before a claim is ever published. They do the difficult math on the ground, ensuring that when a business promises environmental compensation, the science actually backs it up.